how to use a PS5 controller on your Nintendo Switch. So in order to do this, you will need a small device like this called 8BitDo. You can check the pinned comment and also the link in the description. So what this is gonna look like is basically a USB stick, and you wanna get your docked Nintendo Switch here, and you will just plug this in like this. Okay, so once you plug it in, then it should begin blinking like so. And you just want to press and hold onto the little coin, which is going to be the button here, for about 3 seconds until it enters pairing mode. Okay, so once it begins blinking rapidly, or turns off in our case, okay, so just like that, once it begins rapidly blinking, then you will need to navigate to system settings here using your Joy-Cons. Then you want to go into controllers and sensors, and then make sure Pro Controller wired communication is turned on. Once you have done this, then you can go into change controller / grip order, and here you will get your PS5 controller, and just press and hold onto these two buttons. Once you press and hold onto them, they will enter pairing mode, or your controller is going to enter pairing mode here. And if for some reason this has turned off, then we will press it again. Okay, so it's blinking now, and as you can see, it just detected it. And now I'm gonna be using this controller, just like that. Oops, yeah, sure, whatever. So I'm just gonna be using this controller, which is the back button, I don't know. Okay, I found the back button. So I'm using this controller to play whatever I want on the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.